If you're considering Sovos for your sales tax needs, here are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. Whether you're comparing it to other sales tax software or trying to understand if it's the right fit, this will give you a quick, thorough overview to make an informed choice. First thing, Sovos is known for its comprehensive global tax compliance. This is a strong point if you're doing business internationally. While many competitors focus on US-based sales tax, Sovos offers solutions that also address VAT and other international tax complexities, which could save you time and hassle if you're dealing with cross-border transactions. Next thing, Sovos is often praised for its scalability. It's a great fit for businesses that are growing quickly or planning to expand. Unlike some competitors that are better suited for small businesses, Sovos is geared towards larger, more complex operations, offering more robust features. The third thing to know is that Sovos integrates well with major ERP systems like SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft Dynamics. If you're already using one of these systems, Sovos could seamlessly plug into your workflow. Some competitors may require more manual input or have limited integrations, which could make Sovos a better choice if you're looking for automation. Next, Sovos offers real-time tax calculation, which means as you process sales, the software instantly applies the correct tax rates. This is key for businesses that need to stay compliant at all times. Some competitors might only calculate taxes at the end of the day or require manual intervention, which can lead to errors or missed opportunities. The fifth thing to consider is their reporting capabilities. Sovos has extensive reporting options, but they might not be as user-friendly as some alternatives. If you want detailed, in-depth reports for tax filing, Sovos has you covered. However, if you're looking for a simpler, more intuitive interface, some competitors might be a better fit. Next thing, Sovos provides automatic updates for tax rates and compliance rules, which can save you the time and effort of manually tracking changes. Many competitors offer this feature as well, but Sovos stays especially current with global tax law changes, which could give you a competitive edge if you're operating in multiple regions. The seventh thing is the level of customer support. Sovos does offer support, but reviews indicate it can sometimes be slow to respond. If fast, responsive customer support is a priority for you, you might want to weigh this against alternatives that offer 24/7 chat or dedicated account managers. The eighth thing is that Sovos has a higher price point compared to other sales tax software. This can be a turnoff for smaller businesses or startups that don't need the full suite of services Sovos offers. If you're just starting out and need something more cost-effective, you might want to check out other options. The ninth thing to know is the ease of use. Sovos can be a bit more complex to set up and use, especially for businesses that don't have a dedicated tax team. Some of its competitors offer simpler, more user-friendly interfaces, which could be a better choice for smaller teams or those without specialized tax knowledge. The 10th thing is the security of your data. Sovos provides strong data encryption and security protocols, which is crucial if you're handling sensitive financial information. Compared to competitors, Sovos security is on par with industry standards, so you can feel confident that your tax data is safe. The 11th thing is that Sovos offers a lot of customization options. This is ideal for larger businesses or those with unique tax requirements. However, if you don't need much customization, other solutions might provide a more streamlined, out-of-the-box experience. Finally, the 12th thing to know is that Sovos is a good solution for businesses that need a robust, all-in-one tax compliance platform. It can handle everything from sales tax to VAT to international compliance. However, if you're looking for a simpler, more affordable solution, you may find better options elsewhere. All in all, Sovos is a solid choice for larger businesses or those with international tax requirements, but it may not be the best fit for everyone. If you want a solution that's simpler and more cost-effective, we've found a better option that you can try for free. Check out our recommended solution in the link below.